guys and dolls, it's Kiri Katz doing business as Beat by Kiri, bringing you a makeup haul. What did she get, girl? Or what did I get? Stay tuned, all right? Catch ya. So first, I'm not gonna go by any brand or particular order. Maybe I should start with like the features down. What I have been using, and this was one of Belle TV's, I follow her. She's like the best beauty influencers that I follow right now. She has a primer video, the best primers for like acne prone skin as well as dry skin, combo oily skin, and she actually recommended this Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector, and it looks like that. This is a really good primer, especially if you have oily skin, because when you put it on, it mattifies your skin literally and primes your face and holds the makeup. I want to say at least 12 hours. I wear my makeup for 12-13 hours, and it definitely holds and it definitely lasts throughout the day. So I recommend getting this product as well. Is just restocking my staple items, the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation, and this is my shade in the color R510, and it's called Coffee, but it looks like that. And I always use this. This is my foundation. I like using liquids because I can manipulate it and I can build the coverage, so I like using this. Oh, so I picked up this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. It's for dark circles, but I've seen some other beauties using this as regular concealer, and I want to try it out. So I picked this up in the shade Hazelnut, and it has like this puff at the top. I'm assuming to push the product in so that way you can literally dab on it. Dab, dab. Yes, so that is this, and I'm gonna do another tutorial using all of these products. Moving along to concealers in the same family, of course, I had to restock my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Peanut Butter. So it looks like that. You guys know what it looks like because I only use this concealer, but I will try that Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer from now on as well. M&M break. I'm craving chocolate. Sticking with foundations and concealers, I also got this Wet n Wild Photo Focus stick foundation. It looks like that, and this is in the shade Walnut. That almost looks like my foundation shade, but it does go on darker, but this has cooler undertones, and I need a little bit more warmer undertones, so I need a little bit much more of a richer chocolate. I purchased this specifically with the intentions of using this as a contour stick until I got Stalk'r by Fenty. So this is the Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. So it looks like that, but it goes on like this. And that's not so much a bad shade. However, I just don't like how it looks on my face. So I'm gonna hold on to this and probably use it for clients, but I don't know if I'm really feeling this as a contour color. So if you go on my website, you'll see that I have some affiliate links on my page. So if you shop these particular brands, please, please, please go on my website, click on the link and shop using the link. It's the same exact website. I do get a small commission for every purchase that you make, and I would greatly appreciate if you support a sister as I'm just now starting out. I do hope that you can help support me keep bringing the content to you by minimally shopping the same brands that you love by using my links, okay? That being said, Elle sent me a glow gift with my purchase. And one of the glow items is called Smooth Matte Eyeshadow in the shade Nude Linen. So out the package, it looks like that. Okay, so let's swatch this bad boy and see how it looks. Okay. That's cute. Instead of using my concealer, use this as my cut crease color. Okay. Same with eyes. I purchased this e.l.f. Precision Liquid Liner. And this is, of course, in the shade black. So out of the package, it's this nice matte. You can see that. Sometimes I do too large of a stroke and get a thicker wing than what I intend. And I think this will help me do that because I've used this before. I've used angled brushes before to apply my eyeliner, but I think this is gonna help. I also purchased this Opposite Attracts eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. It has all of these gorgeous shades. It looks like the green already cracked and came out. That's a no-no, but it has all of these gorgeous shades that I can't wait to play in. Definitely want to use this tonight. I'm gonna have a tutorial get ready with me live, and I'm gonna use this palette. They also sent me this blush in the color Brick Red. So out of the packaging, of course, it comes in this nice little cute transparent compact. It's that gorgeous color, and let's swatch it. That is a gorgeous color. That is a gorgeous blush color. That almost looks like the color of my lips. That is gorgeous, yes. So of course I did kind of cake it on there just so I could see the true color, but once you blend it out, it's gonna be a cute color. Also sent me this highlighter, and it's in the color White Pearl. So it looks like that. Again, translucent packaging in this compact. Swatch it. So I'm gonna swatch it up here. That is a gorgeous color. That is gorgeous, yes. That is a nice highlighter, absolutely. I like that. I will be using this. And they also sent me some hydrating face cream in the glow gift, but thank you, e.l.f. Sticking with blushes. My absolute favorite purchase thus far has to be this Fenty Sun Stalk'r in the shade Mocha Mommy. Out of the box, it's in this sleek packaging, and it looks like this. It has this mirror all the way around, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Mocha Mommy. The Brick Red blush by e.l.f. and this is Mocha Mommy. And I love that. I actually have that on now, Mocha Mommy, and I love it. I needed another contouring brush. I wanted to use this specifically for Mocha Mommy, so I purchased this new brush from e.l.f. you can use for when you contour. So you can either use it on the side, or you can use it flat, or you could sweep it, but I want to use it somewhat at an angle like that. and apply. Just, you can never go wrong with beauty blenders. I was in Primark and I saw this at the checkout. I bought 2 packs of these, so 4 altogether, and they were for the price of $3.50. So 1 packet is $3.50. I had to get it. So nothing wrong with beauty blenders having more than 6, because that's how many I have now. So sometimes I get a little bit lazy and I don't want to wash my beauty blender when I know I should, so just reach for a new one. Now, getting into my favorite part, lips, honey. Lips, honey. So I'm obsessed with e.l.f.'s tinted lip oil, so I had to purchase another one. This is in the shade Coral Kiss. Out of the packaging, it looks like that. You probably won't be able to see that, but it does have like a pinkish orangey undertone. That's it right there. It's really pretty. I haven't worn it yet, but I will. What I have on, my new favorite, this is like a nice spring pink, and I'm gonna do a separate tutorial swatching these lipsticks. So I went out and I purchased Milani's Color Statement lipstick, and this is in the shade Rose Femme. This is what I'm wearing now. I also posted a picture a few days ago with wearing this. It looks like that. And this is what I have on now. Maybelline's Touchable Taupe. It looks like that in the packaging, super cute. And out. Okay, that's pretty. That actually kind of reminds me of MAC's, what's the name of it? I forget the name of it. I'ma think about it and I'ma link it because I know the name, I'm just having a brain fart. This is L'Oreal's Color Rich in Radical Rose. So again, it has gorgeous packaging and it actually lifts up like that. That's pretty. Let's swatch this bad boy right underneath. Oh, that's gorgeous too. And if you're my shade, I would wear brown liner with all of these nude, pinkish nude lipsticks. That's the only way to go. This is NYX's matte lipstick in the color Mason. So it looks like that in the packaging. Let's swatch this boy. Okay, that one's nice. It looks like it's a nice chocolate. Oh yeah. So that's like a natural lip color actually. That's really pretty. That is really pretty. Another NYX product. This is in the shade Natural. This is pretty. This is like a pink, no. That might be a hot pink. So that's a pretty pink. And that's in the color Natural. I mean, there's nothing natural about that color, but it's a natural pink color. Next one is Revlon. I wanted like an apple orangey type of lipstick. So this is Love That Pink, and I don't think it's pink. It's more of like a apple reddish color, but we will see. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's more of a reddish pink. Not so much pink, but that's a red color. I bet if I put this e.l.f. tinted lip oil on top, it'll achieve the look that I want it to have, because this is like a coral color already. I'm probably gonna have to do this on my lips though. See, in the light, it kind of has like a different color to it. We shall see, we'll play with that. But it's still pretty though, I love it. Revlon's Mink. Super lustrous lipstick in the shade Mink. I want to say I've used this before, but I don't remember. It was a while ago. So this, ooh, yes. This is pretty. I love it. That is gorgeous. It's like super natural. The name of this should be natural because this is like super natural, and you can add a little bit depending on if you're like a glossy girl, you could put some type of tinted gloss on top of that and make it a little bit brighter. Okay, so the last product I got from e.l.f. was this liquid matte lipstick. This is super cute, and I actually have this on top. Milani's Rose Femme, like so. And just put it in the center just to give it a little bit more depth. But it's super cute. It does dry matte. I only use it with a moisturizing lipstick because matte lip products dry my lips out, so I don't want to have like that crusty kind of lip where you see the veins in your lips and stuff. No, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this haul, this beauty haul. Sip, sip, sip. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video if you liked some of the products. If you want to try it, please drop me a comment below, and I will see you next time. Later.